If you're looking for coffee machines, here's a collection you've got to see. Kitchen and home appliances, coffee machines, Amazon UK bestsellers 2017. Number 1, by Nespresso. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Aerobie AeroPress. Number 3, by Bialetti. For more info about these bestsellers, just click the circle. Number 4, by Aerobie AeroPress. Number 5, by Nescafé. Find these coffee machines at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7, by Hobbs. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Nescafé. Number 9, by Tassimo. Discover more coffee machines ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Bialetti.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.